Hey everyone, we're back with another reaction video, and today we're checking out Periyone, the Malayalam track from the Goat Life
Yeah,
movie.
and it's music by A.R.
A.R.
Rahman.
Rahman. Yeah.
So I'm really excited to check it out.
Me too, man, me too.
So,
Here
yeah.
we go.
This is A.R. Rahman.
A.R. Know him.
What is he doing? Okay.
He found the bottle.
Coming here, I could experience what the main character would have gone through. Seeing those camels, seeing those sheep, and looking at the faces and what they're trying to say, and looking at these rocks, looking at the sand, you gain so much of interaction with nature. And I feel that's very important for the music.
Periyone en Rahmane, Periyone rahi, Periyone en Rahmane, Periyone rahi. Angagale, angagale, മണ്ണിൽ പുതുമഴ വീഴണുണ്ടേ, മണ്ണിൽ പുതുമഴ വീഴണുണ്ടേ, നെഞ്ചിലൊരാളുടെ കണ്ണീർ വീണപ്പോ, നെഞ്ചിലൊരാളുടെ കണ്ണീർ വീണപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങിരുന്നാലും അറിയണുണ്ടേ, മിണ്ടാമൺ തരിവാരിയെടുത്തതിൽ കണ്ടില്ല കണ്ടില്ല നിന്നനവ്, കണ്ടില്ല കണ്ടില്ല നിന്നനവ്, കണ്ടില്ല കണ്ടില്ല നിന്നനവ്.
Mother Nature.
എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ, എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ, എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ, എത്ര ദൂരത്തിലാണോ, ആറ്റക്കിളിയുടെ നോക്കും പറച്ചിലും പുഞ്ചിരിയും കൊച്ചുനുണക്കുഴിയും ആ ഇഷ്കിന്റെ നെക്കുവിളക്കിൻ വെളിച്ചമാണുള്ളിരുട്ടറയിൽ, ആ കണ്ണിന്റെ തുമ്പത്തെ തുള്ളിയാണെന്നുടെ കൽവിൻ മരുപ്പറമ്പിൽ.
Oh.
പെരിയോനേ രഹ്മാനേ, പെരിയോനേ രഹീം, പെരിയോനേ രഹ്മാനേ, പെരിയോനേ രഹീം. പെരിയോനേ en Rahmane,
releasing March 28th. We have to watch it. We have to wait maybe for OTT or.
Okay, yeah, I get you. Because it got released like a week ago or more. Yeah, wow, 10 days ago.
Oof, this song was so mystical and
Arabic.
yeah, it takes you away, you know, like on a journey. And oh almighty, oh gracious, Perione Ramani.
Like a prayer, but more like
Like he's longing for
a
something.
kind of meditation. It got that meditational feel
Yeah.
in it
And
with
the
the
Arabic
Arabic vibe, the
Yeah.
Arabic instruments,
And the desert
all that.
and all that.
Yeah, and the camel.
Ya Rahman doing? What is he doing? Like in the movie, he
wandering in
acting,
the-
I don't know.
Yeah, in the beginning, in
Or
the
maybe it's
intro,
a scene,
he talked
yeah.
about like he had to go there. Maybe
Wow.
where they filmed a part
The
of
goat
the
life,
movie,
yeah.
yeah, the goat life. And
get
he had,
inspired
yeah, he
from
had to go and
The environment.
feel what he will like create, you know.
Yeah.
Wow, man, Rahman, every time, with everything, like the way he picks the vibe, the instruments, what he will talk, everything.
Yeah.
He combines all that into a
Angangale.
wow, an art.
Manille. Putumara vira notte. Manille putumara vira notte. I like to read.
Yeah, but you are
Yeah.
reading it like a period with a period at the end. Like,
Yeah, like,
yep,
mama.
yep.
So choppy.
Choppy.
Yeah, but I love it. I want to watch the movie.
Me
Actually,
too.
there are few songs of the same movie. Maybe we react to them if you guys want us to. But wow, this one felt
Goat
so
Life.
magical. Like,
The goat life from the goat A.R. Rahman, and I'm living my life, and I will watch the
I
movie.
feel like every movie where there is A. Rahman, it will be a perfect movie, like the one we watched.
I mean, and here he actually you forgot.
Chola Empire, the Chola Empire.
Yeah. But yeah, A.R. Rahman, he will drop a jam wherever he.
10 on 10,
Cool.
always.
Yeah, 10 on 10. Man, I actually.
Like here we're seeing another song, it's Istighfar, so it's like Arabic. Istighfar. It's
yeah.
from the same movie. Maybe we'll do it. I don't know. Omane too.
Forgiveness? Maybe. In Arabic? In English? Yeah. Man, Peritoni, Malayalam, Goat Life.
Perione.
All that. Perione.
Who's Peritone?
Perione. A.R. Rahman. Can't wait for more. We gotta watch the movie. And
Yeah.
now we're gonna have to wrap it up. For any recommendation, make sure to drop down a comment below. And don't forget to like the video.
And of course, our journey with A. Rahman will definitely continue, so stay tuned for more.